Hey, there we go. Looks like your mic is, or your camera's off, maybe?
Well, let me check.
Good morning.
Any hoozles. Good morning. How was your evening? Did you do anything fun?
Not much. Took a pretty big loss in my 150K Top Step X account. Unfortunately, I'm down 1,200 in that one. But yeah, I got caught in that. I got caught in that big pop.
Yeah.
It like ripped down and then it popped, and yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Back here, what time was this? 1900. So that would have been 7 p.m. ish. But yeah, it's all good. First red day on that account.
All right. Excuse me.
Hey, no problem.
Just waking up.
Just means you're alive.
For the birds.
Hey, Darren.
So
good morning.
I'm feeling like we haven't hit the bottom yet for the day.
Yeah, I'm leaning a little bearish. Looks like we're getting a bearish candle here out of the gate too.
Yep. That's what it looks like. So I ended up catching a YM short from like 46. I think it was like 46,400 or 46,600, something like that, and closed it right before that 9:15 candle.
Oh yeah.
Was like, oh shit, it's getting close to market open. I gotta close this out. I closed it, and then maybe 30 seconds later, that candle just shot right up. I was like,
oh yeah.
that was just pure luck. That was just pure luck.
Well, sounds like it's not so much luck as the fact that it's good that you're paying attention to the time, right?
Yeah. I don't like being
but on the last moment timing.
Yeah, that last 15 minutes before New York Open, I do not like being in a trade.
Yeah.
Or in a position.
Did you touch anything for your camera there? Because you're still black.
Really? I hit the hook.
Let me look at the YouTube. Look at the live stream here.
Darren. Oh, it has us to my camera. Now it doesn't. Now it.
Huh.
That's weird.
Is it showing black on your end? Yeah, it's showing no signal through.
Let me check my settings.
You might need to just leave the. Yeah, check your settings. Might be on the wrong camera or something.
Are you kidding? I only have one camera. It's the one that freezes me.
Yeah.
That should work.
There we go.
How's that?
Fire.
All right.
Very good.
Good deal. Oh, so I'm up a couple $100 in my Lucid account, so that's nice.
Nice. Very good.
I'm real happy about that. I want to start trading Lucid more seriously.
Yeah. And the internet is back in action finally.
Nice.
So I'm feeling at home again.
Yeah, good deal. Here.
Got the fire going in the background and everything. So.
Woohoo! Keeping your buns toasty.
Yep.
acceptable. You know what the fear index is today?
Nope. Do you?
No.
That's something I haven't really ever paid attention to.
It's a 20. Holy shit.
And 20's really high?
Yeah, that's extreme fear.
Oh geez. Yeah, I mean it looks like it by the way the market's working here.
Yeah, I mean, I could have told you it was high, but I wouldn't have guessed 20.
Crude's been just going sideways, it looks like. It's pulled off and just wow, what a shakeout there.
So if you're a long-term investor, start looking at buying on strength after this fear dissipates.
Yeah. And we do have a little news today. Job claims that passed already.
Yeah, that already
and
happened.
Thought there was something else, but it doesn't look like it. 7 has wholesale inventory. It's month over month, but that's kind of like a medium. And then Trump meets Japan's PM at 8:15 for me, so that would be 11:15 Eastern time.
Yeah, I don't want to get into anything before the opening range today.
Yeah, I'm feeling you.
Looking at YM, this 5-minute candle is pretty bearish, but you know how YM acts.
Yeah.
So apparently Trump was running his yap on Twitter, his Truth Social bullshit, and saying that if another bombing occurs, that he'd blow up an oil facility, and just like, what the shit is going on here?
Oh,
Oil did manage to drop down to 96.75. Overnight, it was at 95.27. I wish I would have bought it there.
where could the bottom be? Is what was that? I said, where could the bottom be right now if there is one?
The bottom could be 0. That's where the bottom could be. That's always where the bottom could be, is 0.
That's true.
So, you know, the likelihood of it ever getting to 0?
Yeah.
Nah.
But we're just so down that there's actually no price action where we are. Like if you scroll all the way back, I mean, this is a relatively newer contract, right? But still, it's like I go all the way back and there's like nothing. There's a couple little dots. Because I guess when somebody buys this contract like really early, it's crazy.
People buying contracts a year before expiration.
Yeah.
I mean, speculation can pay off. It can pay off.
Oh yeah, those people were in the money.
It can really bite you in the ass, though. Especially when a tweet moves the market hundreds of points in minutes.
So I guess as long as we're staying below previous day low, I mean, there's no reason to be looking for longs.
No, absolutely not. Look at the overnight trend. Yesterday's trend is just continuation. That's all it is.
Yeah. Hey Tim, good morning. Had to reboot, had no sound. Oh yeah, that would be
That's
very
okay.
fun watching us.
I had no camera. You
Yeah,
could make up your own dialogue when our lips are moving. That could be fun.
yeah. Yeah.
All right, I just took an oil long at 96.40.
In your cash account?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Not no. I
Yeah,
I don't even know. Can you trade oil in the prop firm accounts?
yeah, I think so.
I wasn't sure if they stopped that the way they did with gold and silver because of the high volatility.
They said they're like on Top Step X. It says we're monitoring the volatility in crude, and may increase margin over the coming days.
Well, the CME will increase margin depending on volatility.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to watch for the circuit breaker stuff as well, but yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna put a take profit in this at 97.50.
Or, I mean, I'm just throwing an idea out there, but is today one of the days where everybody thinks it's going to be bearish, so it just turns around and goes up? You know what I mean?
I'm not really seeing that just because of it's been continuous movement down. It'll hit a
Yeah,
bottom eventually, but I'm not getting into a long until there's a clear sign that the bears are out.
yeah.
And it's got to be a real clear
High volume
indication.
take of something
Really
important.
high, yep, really high volumes, monthly VWAP. I mean, drops like this don't happen very often.
So far, NQ popped up there a bit. Hit a bearish fair value gap from pre-market and fell a bit. So we got 5 people in YouTube. I don't see anybody in X yet, so I'm going to just hop over there real quick and make sure. I always go into X and I click on both of our streams just to, like, I don't
Just
know,
to see if they're
tell X that it's active. So it'll promote it.
now we get the bounce on oil.
I did take I'm in a YM long, but I
Oh,
just put
really?
one micro. I got to stop probably about $30 or $40 risk, really really tight, and I'm just gonna let it ride. If it stops me out, whatever happens happens. So
You got a
just
trailer
kind
on
of,
it, or just moving it up
yeah, I'm just
manually?
leaving the stop where it is. I have the stop down at 180, and my entry's at 280. So I guess there's $50 risk because it's one micro, 100 points, 50 cents per point. So the internet is good. Hey, Lone Wolf, good morning. Tim managed to get $100 on an MNQ short while he's having his coffee. Nice.
So I'm keeping this pretty damn tight, and not trading a bunch of accounts today because,
Yeah, this price could be uncooperative.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going to happen here.
Yeah.
I never really know, but if we do happen to hit that theoretical bottom,
Lone Wolf caught a couple small scalps in the morning in the green. Nice. Good job. Very nice.
I like it. Everybody seems to be green right off the rip here.
That's a good way to start the day.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I know you guys probably don't really follow Canadian politics, but Pierre Poilievre, who's the leader of the opposition right now, he got on a podcast with Joe Rogan. So it's like big news in Canada because the he's got Joe Rogan's got like whatever 15.5 million viewers for his podcast. So
Joe Rogan
good.
needs to stick to being whatever the fuck he is.
Yeah.
A podcaster, pseudo comedian, bald headed guy who looks like a walking thumb.
There's a picture of him
As the bald guy.
And he's pretty short compared to Pierre.
Yeah, I just I don't know. I think these famous people need to stay the hell out of politics for the foreseeable future.
Yeah. So NQ's holding above the New York VWAP already. Hey, there's Kaylin. Good morning. It's 4:45 for Kaylin right now, I think. This guy's up early. Oh, 3:45. Oh my god. Damn, man. Since daylight savings kicked in. Oh, it looks like we lost Nick there, guys. I'm sure he'll be back shortly. Got the day off today. Have to take Echo, my older border collie, to the vet for an annual exam and shots at 10. Okay, nice. Yeah, I have a real estate educational course because every 3 years we got to update a bunch of educational courses to keep our license active. So I got a real estate course today.
love
Welcome
it.
back, sir. Elon
We're
Musk
having
pulled the plug on you for a minute, or what?
It must have. He must have.
He heard you saying something about Joe Rogan. He's like, hey.
I mean, I don't mind Joe Rogan. Do your thing, make your money, but stay out of the politics. For Christ's sake, we got enough issues without having famous people supporting con artists.
All right, that YM is doing okay. I'm up $33 now on that one micro. That's like 60 points or something. See if this thing can't go. Maybe I should go break even soon.
Oil trade. Took a loss on that.
Oh, shoot.
You know, internet issues.
Of course. Where do I want to ride this guy to, though?
The moon.
If I'm gonna
ride it to the moon,
let it go. I guess I could just leave the stop break even here and just. It is what it is.
I mean, you could.
$50 now. Should almost be adding to this bad boy, but still want to screw up my average price and get stopped out in a pullback here. Oh, I can hear my keyboard. Pop, 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 pop.
Sounds like gunfire over there. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Neighbor pissing you off again?
Uh-oh. Well, I'm getting rejected off that overnight view up. Just don't come back down now, please. You're going to stop me out.
Yeah, I just put 12 contracts on a short.
Okay. Fading me.
Hey. I'm just calling them like I see them.
Yeah. I should probably stop this out while I still have $17 of profit.
I'm moving my stop loss into $100 in profit now.
Well, I better leave my stop in there just in case. Looking like it's going to come back and stop me out, though. We have orders below or above. Looks like there's some orders at 46,400 and 46. Couple down at 46,200. 46,300 is more of a key level. I'm just below that. I'm in like 289.
So it is pulling back up. Ended up taking $126 on that trade, but you're on YM, right?
MYM, yep.
Yeah. So it is pulling back up now. This may turn into one of those trades where you go long and I go short and we both make money.
Yeah. Well, so far I stand to make about 450 if it pulls back, stops me out. So
back in the short, another 12 contracts.
NQ is looking so strong right now, actually. Four bullish candles in a row. Back at that overnight view up. Close below it. And we have a bearish fair value gap that lines right up with that 46,350 something. Lone Wolf said, all my 5 Lucid accounts are still bright green, no losses. Hey, that's awesome. Congrats.
That's great to hear.
Keep it up. Slow and steady. Slow and steady.
Oh, shit. It didn't take me out. Hold on. Ooh, I don't like that. That went through my stop loss and didn't pick it up.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's no good. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out on that. That's too bad. I should have put my stop below it.
I reset that stop loss at $32 in profit. I'm just gonna leave it there and let this go for a few. Hope that's not internet issues. Hold on.
Yeah. Lone Wolf said, I'm copying in 2 groups. I have a group of 2 and a group of 3. Nice. Yeah, spread that risk out so that you don't end up, blowing them all at once by accident or something, right?
Stop loss is in. All right, I'm up about 150. Oh, 250.
Nice.
I'm gonna move my stop a little bit further into profit here, locking in 75 bucks. Oh, don't pull back on me here. Now here's the question. Never mind. Got taken out.
There's your answer, right?
Got taken out. We're all good.
Well, at least you know your order's working now.
Yeah. Still double checking my phone because it makes me nervous.
Yeah, for sure. Home sales coming up here right now.
Looks like we got a lot of orders on NQ up above the current price. But the price is still going down. So what does that tell you?
Austin was on prop for match there. Oh, I guess you saw that because I saw that you posted. You put something in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been going back and forth with Zach and Luna for the past few weeks.
Nice.
Luna's got a farm not too far away from me.
That's pretty cool. Is he an American citizen?
Yes. He's actually in Florida now.
Oh, yeah.
But he grows, I think he's got cattle, coffee, cacao, and like every fruit you could imagine.
Mm-hmm.
You ready for an NQ pullback?
Kind of looks like we might get that here.
Just rejected off the
overnight, yeah.
overnight VWAP.
There we go. We got a couple of people in X now. Six people in YouTube and 2 people in X. So many orders above on NQ, but
Mm-hmm.
the book is telling me to go long, but yeah. Yeah, are they just sell orders? Because
are they algos? Are they all sell orders?
looks like we got 113 real orders at 575.
Yeah, there are a shit ton of algo orders in here.
I feel like we got to be at least above the overnight VWAP though if we're going to take a long, which is basically going to be we're going to take most of those orders out. $24,650. We got 82 contracts. 24,700. Got 122 contracts. I'm looking at MNQ book map though, not the big dog one.
All right, let's see how it reacts with the VWAPs here.
Yep. YM's trying to get through that view up there now too. NQ rejected pretty hard off there.
Yeah, NQ had a strong rejection off it.
little bit of momentum on this new 5-minute candle here.
It hasn't even hit the wick, the top of the wick on the previous candle yet, so don't get too excited.
Yeah.
Lone Wolf's copy trading in 2 groups. Have a group of 2 and a group of 3. Nice.
Good way to spread that risk.
Yep.
Tim has a question. Yeah, go ahead, Tim. We never mind questions.
The answer is always 42.
Still finding a little resistance there up at the 521 this time. It's just scary having all those orders above. Okay, Tim said, I won a 25K funded next account, want to pass it quickly. Should I trade NQ contract or MNQ multiple contracts?
If you're trading a 25K account with $1,000 worth of drawdown, I would not be trading the minis.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say too. Is just probably better to keep it to the minis. At least then you can, scale out also, right? Lone Wolf's been trading 2 contracts at MNQ. Nice. Yeah, that's nice low risk, not too heavy. It's definitely a good place to be at.
And when your trades go in the right direction, you can make a lot of money on a couple of micros.
Yeah.
I am in a 6 contract short on NQ now.
I was just looking at short and NQ also.
I'm glad we're thinking alike. Hey, maybe we're going to actually go in the same direction this time.
On that note, maybe I should be going long here. No.
Wow. Why you got to be a dick about it?
Well, I like it when we both make money in opposite directions. It's fun.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No, I thought you were just commenting on how crappy a trader I am.
Nope. Not at all. We do have orders below. Look at that. Just took those orders at 80. We have a little bit below, sort of at 75, down to 62 and 55 or so. Oh, geez. I just realized I was in two minis instead of two micros. I made 213.
Jesus.
I got scared out of that. Oopsies. Oof. I was like,
Good.
when you enter and then you start looking at the profit and you're like, it's like $300 already. I'm like, what the heck's going on
How in
here?
the heck? Yeah. So what's funny is I was in 6 micros and I just made 180 something on that.
Yeah. Oh, geez. Good thing I got out of that thing right then. Wow. Look at that bounce there. That would have been max pain right there. That would have been probably down over 1,000 right there. Instantly. I was short at 81 and now it's at 15. 35 points times 20 times 40. Ooh. $1,200.
That's a chunk of change.
There we go. We're ripping. Just took that overnight.
That's a pretty good buy signal right there. If it closes above this,
Yeah.
I'm
Those
still
orders above.
not fully convinced on a long position for the day. But I'd scalp a long position if it closes above this.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
Nice. All right. Yeah, I boiled up a cup of water, made some water this morning, and then looked at my cup, and there was a dead fly in there. So I had to skip the glass of water. I went straight to coffee. You're short 2 micros from on ES from the overnight, Darren. So you're kind of break even at the moment. Previous day low, overnight view up, all lining up here. Getting a bit of a pullback there, Darren. Nice. Risking max daily loss limit. Need to be a 1 and done for today. Nice. Yeah. Well, I hope it works out for you. Hey, good morning, Dad. How you doing? Nice trade there, Darren. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Basically, right back to the active point of control. Nice short. YM's rolling over here. NQ's pulling back. ES pulling back.
Oh.
Darren shorted at the ES overnight view up, and it pulled back really nice for him there. Hopefully you're capturing some profits there, Darren.
That's a good trade.
Yeah. And yeah, NQ did the same thing basically. So waiting for that closure above was definitely important.
That's called risk management. Because there's a chance that it'll just rip up after that.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's not a guarantee.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, that's not even risk management. That's just reading the chart well.
Darren said full TP at orb high, hopefully. So that would be 50. It looks like it's getting there right now. Almost. Yeah. Should have got it there at the view up.
I am in an NQ short now. Keeping it relatively small, just 6 contracts.
Took one off at orb high, stopped to be 80, locked in. Nice. Good job. Good job. I guess you mean $80, right? That was a nice, really nice trade there. 55 down to 40, like 20, almost 15.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Points. Roughly 55, maybe 53, but very nice.
NQ is just dicking around with this price.
AMD's looking pretty bullish, and same with NVIDIA. Apple's a mixed bag. Tesla's down. Amazon's mixed bag. So it seems like chips are kind of propping up NQ at the moment.
Not really all that worried about what Tesla's doing ever. More concerned about NVIDIA.
Yeah. Yeah, AMD's not a huge part of the index, but definitely.
What was that?
AMD isn't like a huge part of the index, but just
but
showing the chips are strong, right?
Yeah, it is a good indication of
nice job, Darren.
So we got all right. No reversals. This is coming back down.
Yep.
I'm gonna lock in $40 profit on this. I'm gonna lock in 100 here. This continues to go down. I'm going to add another 6 contracts to it, but I want to see it close below 470. 70. How you doing over there, Dave?
I'm doing okay. Just looking around at what's going on here.
Well, Made 123 on that one.
Nice. www.
.davesfeet.com.
For once in a few days, I had a good read after chopping myself so much again, and 31 is my max daily profit, so just missed it on that last swipe down. Oh, hey, I mean, great job then, hey? Nice trade there. NQ looks like we found a bit of support there at the 60s. Still probably going to be bearish at this point, but I'm in an NQ short here.
Me too. I just got into it. Went below that 70 level, so but we're passing through the or no, rejecting off the New York VWAP.
And I'm up. Made 44.
I'm still in it right now.
I was being a little aggressive on trailing it down there. Looks like we were just going to keep going.
You. Right, it's through the VWAP. And lock in $100.
Nice job, Darren. Take care.
All right. Locking in another 100.
Nice job.
All right, so we're up 570 right now. I do like the strong breakthrough of VWAP.
Yeah.
For a continuation. So I'm just leaving I'm actually going to move my stop up a little bit to allow it some room to breathe. So I'm locking in $125 and seeing what it does with these deviation bands. If it breaks through the first deviation band, I may add another contract or two to it. If it does not, I'll just take my profits and call it a day. I'm not loving this. I'm not hating it. But my stop loss is in profit, so. Dave, you're really quiet today. You concentrating on managing a trade?
I'm in a YM short right now, yes. Stops in the profit now, so looks like it might bounce here and stop me out, but don't bounce. Yeah, it stopped out. Damn it.
And I just pulled out of my NQ as it came back up through VWAP.
TP hit 435. Nice, Tim.
All right, there's another. another win. Don't know how much it was, but it was green, so I'm happy.
Very nice. Yeah. Nice $100 on that trade there, Tim. Good job.
Tim has just been killing it.
Mm-hmm.
Tim and Darren and jeez, where's Johan?
She's probably working.
Always.
Did she end up sending you the bot information?
He did. I was trying to find where where I could actually install it if because I couldn't get it to load into my trading view.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And that's probably a me issue. Most likely that's a me issue because I'm not very techie.
Yeah, gotcha. Tim chickened out and only took one contract, but hey, I mean, one contract, $100, that's beautiful. 50 points.
Yeah, that's,
you know, gives you that ease to, like, you know, not be too stressed out about the trade. Makes you won't overmanage it, right?
mm-hmm. You can set your stop loss a little bit wider just to allow the trade a little room to breathe. YM is making a new low a day.
Yeah, NQ's pulling down pretty nicely here, down to 420, below 420 here.
Love having my office outside with all these damn bugs around here. Remember what I said about YM not being at the bottom yet?
Yep.
Somewhere around like 855.
Lots of room then, hey?
Oh, yeah. We just passed through that level 1 deviation band.
What's crude doing here? Crude's looking pretty bullish. Up above the overnight VWAP and flirting with the previous day VWAP. I'm gonna go take a breather back in a bit, says Tim. Nice. Hey, there's Body Man. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Initial balance just set. NQ's like right in the middle of the initial balance range here. So we got 10 people in YouTube and 2 people in X. Hey, look at that. Yeah, my internet is now working properly. The company came in and fixed it all up, thankfully. What are you barking at, Frank? I hear Frank going crazy over there.
So I decided to take a NQ, or I'm sorry, a YM scalp long.
Yeah.
And I'm holding this for a lot longer than I thought I would. I'm going to close it out if it hits that 207.
Nice.
Just take a look at the book map here. See what it's telling us.
That was a nice take, the view up on the NQ there. If you're looking at the 3-minute candle, it's 70, probably 70% of the candle is above the view up. Tim started trading this new 25K account last night, lost 150 and quit. All right. Yeah.
It's a good choice. Looks like good choices were made. All right, I'm going to lock in $50 in profit. Oh shit, there's orders up at 240 on the book map.
I'm in an NQ long here, guys. Okay. Stopped out in the profit there, made a little money.
Very nice.
Oh, you got the $200 winners, so you're up $50 on it, trying to be an adult.
Hearing that.
Good job. Good job.
Yeah, I did lie to you. I did not close it out at the 202 level. Still holding it, but I'm moving my stop loss.
Yeah.
Up to the 185 level. That's like $175. Up 300 in this trade though, so. So I just added another 4 contracts to it. locking in 200. So pretty strong push through VWAP for NQ.
Yeah, very strong.
Or I'm sorry, for YM.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
And it looks like it's heading up towards the previous day VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
So what to do, what to do. So I'm in with 16 contracts right now.
On the YM.
Yeah.
That's pretty huge.
Ready to sell it if I need to. And I'm out. Take that $407 win and
Very nice.
I have a feeling I'm going to be going long and short all day.
Yeah, seems that way. Hey. Quite a pullback there on NQ. Jeez.
Same on YM. Got my short in at 46,209.
Rejected at the opening range or the initial balance high there. Okay. Finding a little bit of support at the overnight or the New York VWAP. In on a long here, 2 micros on NQ. See if we can't get a little bounce back up here.
So the trend for the day is down, but on the 5 minutes, it's pretty range bound for YM. 46,060. to 46,399. That's not a huge range for YM.
Still in this NQ long here, locked in $60. got my stop in profit at 480, and my TP's up at 522 at the overnight VWAP for my last contract here. So
looking like today's the day to trade right off the book map.
almost stopping me out there in the profit. Yeah, stop me out.
In profit?
Yep.
That's how you want to get stopped out.
For sure.
Took a 4-second trade on YM long. Made $50 and stopped. Oh, I tried to put on the 30-minute chart and I put on the 30-second chart.
Yeah, that's a little bit different.
That's a whole lot different. So we got the high volume node sitting just above current price at 247. It's the highest volume of the day. VWAP is slightly above that. And when I say for the day, I mean since yesterday at 8:00 p.m.
Nice, yeah. Darren said we get above overnight and come back down and back test bounce. It'll be a long trade for the rest of the day. My opinion seems just a stop. Seems just a stop run since second decent rejection off overnight. Trend is still down and shorts favored for now. I'm heading out. We'll carry on listening on mobile. All right. So I heard some news that Israel's like idea is to sort of demolish the entire regime, whereas Trump was wanting to go like an in and out type of battle. So it seems like they didn't have exactly the same plan for the war. Looks like a whole lot of chop now, yeah. But we had that huge move basically down from London session, after London session. And then now we're kind of popped up and we're just going sideways here. No, I'm not. Just because we're getting back into the stream, I'll probably be doing one soon, though. But probably do one tomorrow, though. Since now that all my internet's all working properly, so keep that in mind. I'll put, if I'm gonna do a giveaway, it'll be in the title. So you still there, Nick?
Yep.
Okay, we're just frozen in time.
Am I again? Lord. Tell me if this helps.
Oh yeah,
Is that a little better?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not really loving this price action now at all.
Yeah. Nick's new nickname, Iceman. There you go.
I'll be Val Kilmer.
Frozen in time.
Han Solo. Or that caveman they found in Iceland.
Oh yeah. All right, Kaylin. Have a good one. I guess you're heading out to work. $365 on my main 50K Ignite account. Nice job. So it's $1 for every day. So close to getting paid out. Hey, pretend like you got 1,000 to go and just keep trading nice and slow.
Yeah, right.
And you got this. I was thinking about picking up an Ignite account there.
Top one account.
Yeah.
I wish I could trade top one.
There's no luck with them.
Never taken a payout from top one. I don't know what. It's not the prop firm. Their rules are fine. It's just it's me. Don't know what my issue is, but top one and I are not copacetic.
Kalen has 990 to go. Good guess. Nice. Super tight consistency rules, but I think it helps me take base hits daily. Yeah, for sure. Keep it up. Nice job.
Consistent makes payouts. Unless you're consistently full porting your accounts. In which case that does not 4 payouts make.
So NQ bounced up there and again rejected off the overnight view up there. Tapped 523 at the overnight view up and pulled back down. There was a bunch of orders above and now they pulled them all off.
That's 16 contracts on a YM short.
Nice. All right. Wish you well on that.
And I'm out. That was a little bit stressful.
Yeah.
All right. Look at that. I'm actually up for the day. Hooray.
Nice job.
And all green on a Thursday after St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, NQ is pretty choppy at the moment. That's for sure.
Yeah, I'm keeping out of this for a minute.
Some orders below 24,462, 24,450 below.
So any fair value gaps or anything I need to look at right now, Dave?
What are you in right now? YM?
I'm not in anything, but I've been looking at
Oh.
YM mostly.
YM has a bearish fair value gap at 46,270 on the upside. So there's not really any bullish ones kicking around. And then we have a 3-minute bullish one at 46,131. Sort of like we've tapped into that one a couple times with those wicks.
I see. Yeah, that's the highest volume from yesterday at 8 p.m.
Interesting.
Or since yesterday at 8 p.m.
Yeah.
So I'm going to look for a long or a short off of that level. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I was incorrect on that. Highest volume is where we are right now, 193.
193.
Oh. But that 131 level has a pretty big volume.
NQ's getting a whole lot of orders above, and it's pretty dark below right now.
Really?
540, 550, 560. And then we only have a little bit of orders at 490, just below, currently below price. And those orders at 550 and 560 just came on not too long ago.
The algos are actual orders.
Yeah, it looks like the majority of everything on the book right now looks like algos.
Day after FOMC.
Yeah. I see white lines everywhere. And we just took out those orders at 490. Took some orders at 485 now. NQ is trying to break through the 500 level here. And it couldn't. Then it's rolling back down here.
Yep.
We're 85. That was a quick push lower here.
Got my short in on MYM.
Seller ball on NQ at 85, 185 contracts.
And I'm out. Lost $100 on that one.
Okay.
Oh, we just bounced off the London low on MYM.
There we go. NQ's now it's popping up above 500. Excuse me.
Bless you. Got some mold in your house? Dust?
Seems like it.
Or it could be just because it's springtime in Alaska where you are.
Yeah. Alaska. There we go. NQ's finally took the opening range high. And it looks like Trump's, they're loading up a video of him going to talk with Japan.
So we are at the Asia low on NQ. Mm-hmm.
Asia low. Look at that rip. Whew. Well, those orders above weren't lying to us on NQ. I'm trying to find. I got a real estate course to do today, and I'm not seeing the email for it. I'm like, what the heck's going on here?
Oh, they decided they don't like your kind.
Oh, here it is. Found it. Wrong email address. Are you still in that YM there? Sir?
No, I am trying to figure out what the hell YM is going to do right now.
Kind of bouncing.
Above New York, above previous days. All right, I just put in a YM long.
Yeah.
For a little scalp.
Just holding above the VWAP there. We have a bullish fair value gap below.
Starts to pull back. I'm going to get out of it real quick. And I'm out.
All right. Hey, Zara. Good morning.
Good
How's
morning,
things
Zara.
this morning? Like a roller coaster, but good. Yeah. Price action's been pretty wild.
Yeah, it's like a roller coaster, but not fun. All right, I'm gonna go grab some coffee before I start getting too antsy.
Time to walk away for a moment.
Yeah, I need to clear my head and figure out what the hell I'm doing next.
Mm-hmm. I'm hearing that weird chirpy noise again. Maybe it was a bird. I don't know if you guys heard that. Like some. I think it's Nick has a what's it called? A notification that he gets from TradingView, and that could have been that sound. Like, hey, Dad, thanks for the like. They all matter. Likes, that is. Hey, candle dealer. What's up? Good morning. How are you doing? Ooh, quite a substantial pullback here on NQ, guys. Still hoping for a little drop from IB high. Yeah, 547's IB high there.
Second breakfast was lovely.
Nice.
A hell of a drop on NQ.
Yeah, I'm in a short here on my top step X account there. Just locked in. Recovered a big chunk of my loss from last night. I just made 600 on that trade. One mini short. So I was down 1,200 in that account. Now I'm only down 560.
You went all big and stuff.
Yeah, well, I've been watching that initial balance high, and we kind of broke it, and then tried to break it again. We broke it slightly again, and then rejected off it. So I went short, right, basically when we started breaking the overnight view up at 521.
Yeah.
Was it 521?
That was smart.
I think
that was a smart trade.
It was a little bit above 521. What was my entry there? 520.50, and then out at 490.
That was a real nice trade.
Let me start by complaining. I accidentally got 20 micros instead of 5 long at the top. I'm hurting. Oh, damn. So you're in drawdown right now, Candle, obviously. 20 micros. Ooh. I've done that before.
5.
Yeah, 20 micros instead of 5.
That is a little painful. Now, what's NQ going to do with this VWAP? What do you think
Yeah,
it's going to do?
and it's in a
Break
bullish fair
through
value
it?
gap also.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, which has held a bunch of times there. So, but with that kind of a rejection off the initial balance high, I mean, there is a chance we're going to head back to the low, right?
Yeah.
A chance.
Price action's hard today.
Yeah, it is.
Pre-market was easy.
Oh yeah, drawdown. Well, don't lose the count over it, Candle. Make sure you get out before that point.
Rejection off of VWAP a little bit here. It's funny looking at the ladder. The price is just like bouncing all over the place.
Oh yeah, on the price ladder. Ooh, coffee done. Damn,
You wake up.
I burnt some probably too long with it. There's nothing left in there because I poured it all out, but I should have turned it off after.
Oh no. That's got to smell lovely.
I'm ready to end the stream here in about 5 minutes, just because I got to get ready for that real estate course. I got to
I think I'm done for the
feed
day,
the dog,
so
everything. So
the dog. Don't do that. Frank's so nice.
Yeah. Frank and Ralph need some breakfast.
Oh, tomorrow's going to be fun.
Yeah? Why?
It's a Friday after FOMC during a war in Iran. That's not actually a war. Sorry, I didn't say that the right way.
Yeah. Of course, it's not a war.
Joe Rogan's gonna endorse Canadian politicians, and yeah.
Well, the good thing
And who knows?
is an opposition. So, and I'm a firm believer we need a change. Yeah, I know that it's not a guarantee that it's going to be better, but his ideologies are, what he's been talking about for like his whole career is basically what he's still running on, and hopeful that it's going to help Canada's issues.
Is he more in line with the super genius Donald Trump?
I wouldn't really. I mean, in some areas, yeah, he is a conservative, but I wouldn't say he's. I don't think he's extreme like that. He just wants to open up the pipelines and get our oil to Asia, and he wants to sort of reduce taxes for the middle class, and try to increase our army, because we have nothing. We don't have any army at all, right?
Yeah, because who the fuck is going to invade Canada?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm in a country that has 0 standing army. There is no military here.
No.
Non-issue.
Well, I think I don't know. Sorry, I shouldn't have said army, but I just mean build our military in general, right?
Yeah, there's no military here at
They're
all.
all deployed across the world.
No, there is no military here. There
Oh, you
hasn't
mean
been.
in Costa Rica?
Yeah, there's
Oh,
no
gotcha.
military since the 40s.
Really?
Yeah, there doesn't need to be.
Hmm.
Who the fuck's going to invade Costa Rica?
Yeah.
Who's going to invade Canada? No one's going to invade Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard all that rhetoric from conservatives, and I've heard all the bullshit from the liberals. They're not going to help you. They're not going to help the middle class pay less taxes or do any of that. They're going to take as much money for themselves as they possibly can, and that's it. It's like the conservatives in the US love Reagan and his trickle down economic shit. I'm still waiting for that trickle down to just land on my face like the money shot in your first video. Just saying. There's only I think one company that actually used that tax break during the Reagan administration for what it was
Yeah.
intended for, which was hiring and expansion, because the automotive industry, people were laid off for 3-4 years at a time.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And they initially, that whole trickle down economics thing was like, oh, we're going to lower taxes for corporations and rich people so that way they can open businesses, expand businesses, and hire people.
Mm-hmm.
Coca-Cola started a water company. They expanded their facilities. They did hiring, and they actually used those tax breaks for what they were supposed to. The CEOs of every other large corporation in the U.S. got pay increases, did zero hiring, no expansion, no nothing. But those CEOs made a shit ton of money from those tax breaks.
Mm-hmm.
So I wouldn't be too excited about your conservative Republic hunt, whatever the fuck it is, Joe Rogan podcaster guy.
Yeah. I'm just I just feel like our immigration is broken, and it hasn't been decent since the last conservatives were in. And then our foreign aid is just out of control. They're sending it for like LGBTQ ideas, like to Africa and all these weird things. And like we've given $25 billion to Ukraine this year. And Russia just took a power plant in Ukraine, and it just so happens to be our Prime Minister Mark Carney's Brookfield Assets power plant. They have like the contract to provide their uranium for it, and then next thing you know, he sends over 400 armored vehicles to to help with the war. So it's just like, I don't know.
As far as all that aid stuff is concerned, to LGBTQ, whatever the fuck, I would check your sources on that one, because I've seen all of the bullshit news reports about how, oh, the U.S. has given so much money to transgender this and LGBTQ. No, they don't. But it's in the news constantly. But when you actually look into it, not even close. And then I read something a couple of days ago that said the U.S. the U.S. government has spent on gender affirming care over $15 billion.
Wow, yeah.
No, they haven't. No, not even. No, not even a little bit. Not even close to that. Not even $1 billion.
Mm-hmm.
which for the states, $1 billion is basically nothing.
It's a sneeze. It's like a YM bounce.
Yeah, right. I don't know. I think they're all full of shit. The liberals are trying to claim that, you know, they can solve all of the problems and blah 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 blah. No, they can't. They're not your savior. Neither are the conservatives.
Well, you know, just in general, the stats for Canada are horrible with this liberal government. We have the highest food inflation out of the G7. We have the only declining GDP in the G7. The
U.S. has
deficit
a
is the
declining
largest
GDP right
ever.
now.
Pardon? Yeah.
Yeah, it's because we have a labor shortage due to immigration policy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shocker.
Yeah. I guess there's always two sides, right? So.
Yeah, and they're both wrong. I'm very economically conservative and very socially liberal. I think that gay people should be allowed to get married and defend their weed farm with guns and make a lot of money and pay low taxes on it.
Yeah, yeah.
As far as the transgender thing, I don't give a fuck what anyone else does.
Yeah.
Be happy. That's it.
Yeah, and I agree with that too, but I just, you know, yeah, just the whole allowing transgender to, you know, play in opposite sex sports and stuff like that. That's just where I kind of draw the line, you know?
That's up to the commissions for those sports.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shouldn't be a government thing. That should be, all right. Yeah, you wanna play football in a men's league, or you want to play football in a women's league? That's up to the players, the commissions. That is not the government's responsibility. That is up to, oh, I mean, shit. You want to be a woman playing in the NFL? Good luck.
Yeah.
You want to be a man swimming against women? Shut the fuck up. Go away. Just stop.
Yeah. Zach's in a short, that same short that I was in. He's up 430 ticks, so 100 points on, I think he's in 3 micros, and his TP is almost being hit here. His target is 392, it looks like. Very nice trade, though. So I saw somebody's name in a race for Zach's stream, and it was Butcher Trades. I was like, what the heck? Well, it's 8:36, hey? Oh, looks like we lost Nick, guys. He might not be back because we're going to wrap up the stream anyways. That was the last administration spending on the weird shish. Yeah, Coach Cleats, hey. Good morning. I don't think I've seen your name before. Welcome to the stream. Hey, welcome back.
I don't know what the heck happened there.
Yeah. I was just about to say, I don't know if he's going to come back. We were going to end the stream there. So,
Yeah, I can't leave without saying goodbye.
yeah, I figured.
How rude do you think I am? But, so, just to finish that conversation, whatever you do, do not let your government do with their immigration stuff what the U.S. has done. You don't need an alligator Alcatraz.
Oh, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
You sure as hell don't need masked people on the streets.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well.
Yeah, I think I'm done trading for the day because this is getting kind of stupid.
I'm happy to have recovered a good chunk of
that
that loss from last night. So.
Oh, you had a loss last night?
Yeah, I was down 1,100 last night from. I got caught in that. There's a bit of a whipsaw moment. Price dropped and then ripped, and I was short in the drop, and it just turned around and ripped on me, and I was a little too heavy. Well, I've been trading minis on that account, so
on the overnight,
pretty fast. Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like trading minis in the overnight seems like the way to go, unless you end up with that kind of movement, obviously.
Yeah, I got caught, and then I was a little reluctant to let it go, and then let it go a little too far, and I was like, well, now I got to get out. So.
Oh, what I was saying the other day about getting into a trade, putting it on, and then going to sleep, just setting a stop loss. So I did that, and I didn't set a take profit. I just set a stop loss. I woke up this morning, and I was green by $4.50 cents. Not worth it.
No, well, on that time it wasn't, anyways. But maybe on a different day it could be different. But.
Well, in all honesty, I only went in with one mic, but yeah, I laughed when I opened it up. I went, "Oh, seriously? That's ridiculous." All right, Dave, get the hell out of here.
Okay, Nick.
Do your real estate stuff. Find me a house. If anybody's still watching, it's been a pleasure. Enjoy your week. And I'm going to stop creating now. All right. See you later, Dave.
Okay, next. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will be live again tonight for the Asia session, probably around 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys are around, I'll definitely catch you around that time. And then we'll be again live tomorrow morning for market open, 9:30 a.m. East Coast. So definitely check out Top One Futures or Lucid Trading. If you're looking to pick up some accounts, you can use my discount code, support the channel. No pressure though. MBT is the code. And like I said, I'll be back live tonight and then also tomorrow morning. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for tuning in, Coach Cleats, Candle Dealer Czar. My dad was here earlier also. Kaylin, Tim Korth, Darren Does Things, Bodyman HG, and Lone Wolf. Who else did we have? Anybody else? That's about it. So thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next stream. Peace out.